Happy,
Happy, happy,
happy,
happy,
happy,
happy,
happy,
happy,
happy,
happy
Christmas.
Happy Teacher's Day! This is the time to honor and celebrate the extraordinary dedication and passion that you, our teachers, bring to our lives. You inspire us with not just the knowledge you impart, but with your unwavering support, patience, and belief in our potentials. Your efforts extend far beyond the classroom, shaping our futures in lasting and profound ways. On behalf of the Office of the Supreme Secondary Learner Government and of all the learners, I want to express our heartfelt gratitude for everything you do. Your impact is immeasurable and your commitment does not go unnoticed. We are truly blessed to have such educators guiding us. Thank you for being our guiding lights in our educational journey. Your influence is invaluable, and we celebrate you today with deep respect and appreciation. Happy Teacher's Day!
To the teachers who shape our minds and nurture us, your dedication reflects the greatness in us all. Happy Teachers Month!
Hello teachers! Thank you so much po for your utmost dedication in sharing your knowledge and experiences with us. Your love and unwavering support in our dreams has put us into deep appreciation that we will definitely bring in our future. Thank you so much po! Happy World Teachers Day!
Happy Teachers Month to those who see potential in us. Your passion and dedication in teaching transforms our lives. Again, Happy Teachers Month.
To all the teachers out there, we are forever be grateful for your tireless effort. Thank you for being the guiding lights in our journey. Happy Teachers Day!
Happy Teachers Month to all the teachers out there. Thank you for your hard work, dedication, and for always inspiring us to learn and grow. You don't just teach us lessons from books, but you also teach us lessons for life. We are grateful for everything you do. Once again, Happy Teachers Month.
Happy World Teachers Day to all our teachers in Imelda National High School. Thank you so much, teachers, who serve as an architect in molding us, not just academically, but in building our character, teaching us invaluable lessons that will guide and help us towards achieving our aspirations and serving as our mentors. Once again, Happy World Teachers Day in behalf of the BKD faculty.
Happy Teachers Day, Ma'am and Sir. Hope good health and peace.
Happy Teachers Day to all teachers in Imelda National High School. We are so proud of you, mga teachers. Thank you kay mga teachers nga nagkamo nagtudo sa mga sir, ma'am and sir. Kami nagpasalamat kay ninyo sa inyo tanan nga mga teachers nga kami inyo gitiguan sa inyo kamaayo sa tanan nga inyo naibawaan. Kami nagpasalamat ma'am and sir nga kami nga naalam diri karon nga sa Imelda National High School. Unta mo tudlo pa mo sa mga laing student o sa kaming student pa nga. Tarungon ninyo, I hope nga maka-learn jud mi kay maka-learn pud mo sa mua. Maski na kami nga sipat dungol man mga teachers, pero inyo ra gyapon ming gisabot, and I hope nga tagaan mo pangusog sa Ginoo nga dili mo surrender sa mga student, labi na karon kay mga student mga kwan, pero but still we are so proud of you nga nagkuan sa mga students nga diri sa National High School, especially for me, to all teachers. I love you to all teachers, and I hope nga God bless nga tagaan pa mo mga palawas sa Ginoo, and Happy Teachers Day to all teachers. I love you, teachers.
Hello teachers, I just want to tell you that nagpapasalamat po kami sa mataas na pasensya na inyong binibigay para sa mga estudyante upang matuto kami. Thank you for also helping us sharpening our knowledge. At nagpapasalamat po kami dahil sa lahat ng mga nagawa nyo, sa lahat pa ng magagawa nyo, at kami po mula sa Journalism Club ay nagpapasalamat ng marami.
Happy Teachers Day to all teachers out there. Thank you for all your service that in order for us to learn, and unta na pa plus points to go, and maraton siya. Happy Teachers Day.
Happy World Teachers Day to all teachers out there, especially to all teachers here in Imelda National High School. Thank you for your dedication to nurture curiosity, fostering creativity, and shaping our minds. Thank you for inspiring, guiding, and empowering us students. Your hard work does not go unnoticed. Here's to you today and every day. Again, Happy World Teachers Day. Greetings from your system.
To all teachers here in Imelda National High School, Happy Teachers Day.
Thank you for being more than just a teacher. You've been a mentor, a guide, and a source of encouragement. Your belief in us has helped us overcome challenges and achieve our goals. We are eternally grateful for your support.
For all the teachers out there, thank you very much for all the teachings, the knowledge, and all the sacrifices that you have given to us. I hope na padayon mo sa future pa ng students at kayong maayo and parang estudyante, yung may student pagbuon. That's all.
To all of our loving and supportive teachers out there, Happy Teachers Day po! On this special day, we want to take a moment to express our gratitude for all that you do. Your dedication, passion, and hard work have not gone unnoticed. You have a profound impact on the lives of your students, shaping their minds and hearts for the future. Thank you for all the sacrifices you made, the extra hours you put in, and the love and care you showed for your students every day. You are truly unsung heroes, and we are so grateful for the impact you have on our lives. Thank you, and Happy Teachers Day.
Today we celebrate all the amazing teachers who help us learn. Thank you for being such a great teacher. Your hard work and support means so much to us. You make learning fun, help us grow every day. We appreciate everything you do for us. Enjoy your special day. You deserve all the love and all the good things in life. Again, Happy Teachers Day.
Teachers. Hi, we are the Math Club Officers, and we want to say Happy Teachers Day, and
we want to say we appreciate your effort and patience towards us students. Once again, Happy Teachers Day to all.
Happy Teachers Day, all teachers in Imelda National High School. Gusto ko nga pasalamat sa inyong mga guro kasi dahil sa inyo, lahat ng mga estudyante dito, maraming learnings na kukuha dahil sa inyo.